Racer here, 38 POS Racing. Today we're going to install the starter ring gear on the flywheel on this old tractor. This is how I do it. It ain't the only way to do it, but this is how I do it. Watch along. Put your safety gear on. You're going to heat it up with a torch. Grab it with the vice grips. Put her on there. You gotta keep moving with the heat. Get it even. Just do it. Like I said, 250, 300 degrees, not glowing. Yep. Slide it over there, tap her home. We'll let that cool. And we're going to tap, make sure it's on there all the way. But it's a shrink fit. So you heat it up, it expands, you get it over there, and as it cools, she grabs on good. Thank you guys. Subscribe, like, share, as you will.